How to blur part of a video in Capcut. First off, make sure you're deselected from your video, and at the bottom select Effects and then Video Effects. Type in Blur, then select your blur effect preference. Once selected, head back out of this menu, and make sure your blur effect spans the entire video length by dragging the right end to the right. Then select your original video, then at the bottom of the screen, drag to the left until you find Duplicate. With your new video selected, drag your options at the bottom to the right until you find Overlay. We then want to hold and press down on our video and drag it to the left. After all that, we then want to select our bottom video and search at the bottom for mask. Go ahead and choose a shape that best fits the object that you want to blur. At the bottom left, select invert. Then, at the bottom right of your video, there should be a diamond icon. Select that. This will allow you to change the shape and size of your blur. So I'm going to make the blur fit the size of her face a little better and position it on top. Now, if we go through our video, every time that this person's face is not within the blur, we can just drag it on top and the keyframes will do the work for us. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video so I can show you the final result. Now, if you've done everything right, you should have something like this. And I hope this video helped you out.